Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're going to talk about the Chantecaille Lip Chic in the shade Patience, a luxurious matte liquid lipstick that promises rich color, smooth texture, and long-lasting wear. Chantecaille is known for creating high-end products with a focus on sustainability, so I'm excited to see if this product lives up to the hype. The Chantecaille Lip Chic is described as a liquid lipstick that delivers a smooth, velvety matte finish with a sophisticated color payoff. It's available in the shade Patience, which is a beautiful cranberry hue that should complement a variety of skin tones. The product is designed to be versatile enough for everyday wear or to add that perfect pop of color for a night out. Let's talk about the formulation for a moment. This lipstick has a liquid form, but it's not like the traditional drying liquid lipsticks we've seen on the market. This formula seems to keep the lips feeling hydrated, which is something I really appreciate. The finish is matte, but it doesn't leave the lips feeling parched or uncomfortable like many matte products tend to do. This is especially important if you have dry lips, as the formula promises to deliver smoothness without emphasizing any imperfections. I've been using this lipstick for about a week, and I have to say, I've been impressed with how comfortable it feels on my lips. It's easy to apply with its precision applicator, and the cranberry shade is striking without being too bold. It glides on effortlessly and provides full coverage with just one layer, making it perfect for those mornings when you're in a rush, but still want to look put together. In terms of wear time, I've noticed that the Lip Chic lasts for several hours without needing a touch-up, though I wouldn't say it's totally transfer-proof. After drinking or eating, there's some wear, but the color doesn't fade unevenly, which is a win in my book. It does require reapplication after meals, but that's typical for most non-long-wear lipsticks. When it comes to texture, this lipstick feels weightless on the lips, and the formula does not settle into lines or cause flaking. The cranberry color is vibrant and rich, adding a polished touch to any look, whether you're going for a natural everyday vibe or a bold statement. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product excels in comfort. The formula doesn't dry out your lips, which makes it stand out in the matte liquid lipstick category. The pigmentation is also fantastic. It's highly pigmented and lasts for a good amount of time, so you're not constantly reapplying. The sleek packaging is also a nice touch. It feels elegant, and the product itself looks high-end, which makes it feel even more special when you pull it out of your purse. On the flip side, while I love the color and texture, I do think the price might be a little steep for some, especially when compared to similar high-end lipsticks on the market. While the formula is impressive, the price tag of this product may not feel justified for those looking for more affordable options. Additionally, the product is not completely transfer-proof, which could be a downside for some, especially if you're looking for something more long-lasting. When comparing this to other luxury lipsticks, the Chantecaille Lip Chic offers a similar feel to other high-end matte formulas, but has the edge in terms of comfort. Other brands like Tom Ford and YSL also offer high-quality matte lipsticks, but their formulas tend to feel a bit more drying compared to Chantecaille's, which keeps lips more hydrated. In terms of build quality, the packaging is solid and luxe. The glass tube feels sturdy, and the doe foot applicator is easy to use and precise. It's clear that attention was paid to the details here, and the longevity of the product is definitely something to note, considering how often high-end brands can drop the ball on wear time. Now, when it comes to value for money, that's a bit subjective. The Chantecaille Lip Chic is definitely on the pricier side, but it is a luxury product, and I do feel that you get what you pay for when it comes to the formulation, texture, and wear. However, if you are someone who doesn't mind spending a little more for high-end beauty, then this could be an investment worth making. If you're looking for alternatives at a lower price point, brands like Fenty Beauty and NYX have liquid matte formulas that deliver impressive color payoff and comfort, though they might not offer the same luxe experience as Chantecaille. In conclusion, the Chantecaille Lip Chic in Patience is a fantastic option if you're willing to splurge for a matte liquid lipstick that delivers comfort, color, and a smooth finish without the dryness often associated with matte formulas. If you're someone who loves sophisticated shades and is looking for a product that feels as good as it looks, then this could be your new go-to. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase the Chantecaille Lip Chic in the description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Do you love the rich matte finish or prefer something more hydrating? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.